Welcome back to the channel. Today we are analyzing a stunning example of modern prairie design that completely rethinks indoor-outdoor living. This is a sprawling, single-story luxury home, coming in at just under 3,300 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. But the real wow factor here is the incredible U-shaped footprint that wraps entirely around a central courtyard and pool, creating a private oasis. If you are interested in the full specifications, pricing, or purchasing the building rights for this exact plan, make sure to check the clear call to action link in the video description or the pinned comment below. As we explore the main level floor plan, you immediately see how that U-shape dominates the design. Everything centers around that pool area. You enter through the foyer and are immediately pulled into this massive open-concept great room, dining, and kitchen core. These plans call for soaring 14-foot ceilings here, and notice the 3 separate sets of glass sliders opening right up to the courtyard. This setup is absolutely perfect for entertaining and enjoying the indoor-outdoor lifestyle, especially in warmer U.S. climates like California, Texas, Florida, or the Southwest. The kitchen is designed for a chef, featuring a giant central island and a huge walk-in pantry tucked behind it. Now look at the brilliant zoning for privacy. The entire left wing is dedicated to the master suite. It's a private sanctuary with its own direct access to the pool patio. It features a spa-like bathroom with a huge walk-in shower and tub layout, plus a massive walk-in closet. On the opposite right wing, you have 3 fantastic secondary bedrooms, keeping them separate from the master. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a clever Jack and Jill bathroom, which is great for kids, while bedroom 4 acts as a perfect guest suite with its own private bath and access to a private rear deck. Finally, look at the functional utility side near the garage. You have a huge 3-car garage that includes extra depth for a dedicated shop area. This leads right into a highly functional mudroom with lockers and a separate laundry room. The flow of this layout is incredibly practical for active modern families. Now, analyzing these exterior perspectives, you can see how versatile this modern prairie design truly is. The low-slung roofs, wide overhangs, and horizontal lines are classic characteristics of the style. What's fascinating here is how different material choices change the entire vibe of the home. We see renderings showing a mix of stucco, warm wood siding, and dark metal accents that fit perfectly in a desert or arid landscape. But then look at the version using white brick with dark contrasting trim. It suddenly feels much more transitional and suitable for an upscale suburban lot in the Midwest or South. The curb appeal is sophisticated and undeniable, regardless of the specific finish package you choose. Moving to these interior concepts, these images really help us visualize the tremendous volume of that main living area. You can really feel the impact of those high ceilings. The aesthetic shown here is a beautiful blend of rustic and industrial modern design. Notice the details, like the exposed ceiling beams, the textured concrete look walls, and the mix of two-tone cabinetry in the kitchen with that massive natural wood island. The connection to the outdoors is constant. Look at the master bedroom image, where those folding glass doors completely open up the wall to the pool patio. It creates an atmosphere that is sophisticated, but very relaxing and livable. This modern prairie plan is truly a dream home concept for anyone who values open spaces, modern design, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. It's practical for a family, yet designed specifically for high-end entertaining. If this looks like it could be your future dream home, don't forget to click the link below in the description or comments to explore the full details, pricing options, and building rights. Thanks for joining us for this analysis.